Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back. I'm so excited to share our first reveal for July products. So happy summer everyone. I am sharing what's in your junior box of the month. So the junior box will release on July 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. So if you love what you see, head on over to the shop on the 1st at 9 a.m. bright and early to snag your box. There are limited quantities. I can't wait to show you this really cute card I made with one of the products that are in your junior box of the month. These are the Tropical Dream card fronts. So you get 12 designs, 2 of each. They're sized perfectly to fit on an A2 size card, or you could cut it down like I did on my card here. So for my card, I used the Easy Wonder Die number 3. Now available in the shop, you can pre-order. I expect to ship 2 to 3 weeks. As soon as those products come in, I will be shipping out the orders. This is a wonderful collection designed by LV Handcrafted. I have a little stamp set that I designed especially for this die, and you can see the cute little details added. That little plane, the 25 cents, the fragile. It just gives your card the right amount of details you're looking for. And then the You Are Incredible was cut out from the Tropical Junk Journal Treasures pack. So this will be releasing in the shop as well. So this one is a separate purchase. So if you like playing around with these little pieces like tags and sentiments, I'm going to go through this after I show you what's in your box. You might want to pick this one up. So I did use pieces from that to decorate this card. So the background here is one of the card fronts. And then these little elements here are from the Junk Journal set. So isn't that pretty? This is the Easy Wonder Die number 3 collection, the full collection. You get the die. There's a stamp set, special delivery. Easy Wonder Die number 3 add-on. You get a Happy Mail word and shadow. You get this really fun piece here where you can create custom borders with that postage style edge, and then a great stencil where you can stencil inside the blocks and create a fun airmail postage border around your card. Super fun. So let's take a look at what's in these card fronts really quickly, and you get 2 of each. I did use one from the pack here. They're just beautiful. So this month we are going to the tropics because we have all the island vibes going on. Look at that beautiful butterfly. These images are just spectacular. Absolutely love them. Look at that turtle. Oh my gosh, look at this image. She's beautiful. This is the one I used on my card. Okay, so I dressed it up. Of course, this is going to look beautiful just putting this on an A2 size card base, maybe adding a little sentiment, stamping a sentiment here in the water or the sky. That would be beautiful too, but if you wanted to create and have some fun, you could do something like that. Gorgeous pineapple, the VW bus, little bicycle. Love it. And then of course your sentiments are going to work great from the stamp set to use with the papers here. And this is so cute. This is Birds of Paradise. And the only way to get the stamp set is to purchase the box. Love the parakeet, the toucan. We've got beautiful tropical flowers. This is a really neat one. The circle, you can add a little sentiment inside. You can put a photo in the inside of it. You can perch your little bird up on the wire there. Just have fun with it. And some more flowers to decorate. We've got sentiments. Let's flock together soon. Born to be wild and wonderful. Hello, thanks, and you make life colorful. So can you imagine just coloring like a bunch of beautiful colors and then having that sentiment. What a pretty card that would make. Then we have Birds of Paradise paper and ephemera pack. So I will be showing some samples tomorrow, so meet me back tomorrow to get the full reveal of what's in your box of the month. So this is part of what's in the box of the month. I'll share the other half tomorrow. You get 4 of each design. They are double-sided. Beautiful patterns. Look at these really pretty little flamingos on this one. And speaking of flamingos, your free with 60 gift. You're going to get this little pack. We have a really cute flamingo keychain in here. And you're going to get a half pack of enamel dots that you can use with your projects. And then this cute little flamingo. So you get a cute little flamingo. You get a little saying that says, "Never forget how flamazing you are." There's a little heart. So really, really, really pretty. You can give that away as a gift or keep it for yourself. So that will pop into your cart once your order hits $60. It's while supplies last, and that promotion starts on July 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. So really fun patterns, just love it. It's got like plaid in the background, and then your fun tropical on the front. Some stripes. I really like this one. This is really pretty. Those big tropical leaves. Love that pink plaid in there. This one has the pink plaid behind these cute little images. Like, it's so cute. So what a fun paper pad. Birds in Paradise. And then we have the matching ephemera. Now you can get the paper pad and the ephemera on its own. So if you're not able to get the box, you can still grab the paper pad and the ephemera pack and create some beautiful cards. Really simple. So I'm going to lay all of these out for you really quickly. I'll play a little bit of music and have a still shot at the end for you.
Saturday morning, coffee in hand, cutting up paper, got a big plan. Pulling out stamps, picking a theme, my craft room's buzzing like a dream. Colors all laid out, glitter and glue without a doubt. My scissors snip, my die cut spin, let the card making fun begin. Card maker's gonna make with a paper pad and shake. Add a bow, a gem, a dot, crafting magic on the spot. Stamp it once, emboss it twice, throw in sparkle, make it nice. From the heart, handmade and true, that's what card makers do. Ink on my fingers, scraps on the floor, still got ideas, gonna make more. Birthday thank you, holiday cheer, my little stack grows every year. Washi rolls and sticker sheets, layers stacked up, oh so neat. One last touch, the cinnamon sweet, then off it goes, my job's complete. Card maker's gonna make with a paper pad and shake. Add a bow, a gem, a dot, crafting magic on the spot. Stamp it once, emboss it twice, throw in sparkle, make it nice. From the heart, handmade and true, that's what card makers do. Late night glow from a desk lamp light, cutting and crafting into the night. It's not just paper, it's love and care, a little piece of me in there. Card maker's gonna make.
So I hope you'll join me tomorrow at 1 p.m. Central Time for another sneak peek. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.